Now we will see some built-in functions like string. First one is we have fruits dot append. If you want to append on it, like we have already apple, orange and grapes in my cart, and again I want to add mango and print fruits apple, orange, grapes and mango also added. So append will add to the last of the list. Okay, now we will use sort for sorting your list. Okay, so these are the three values like comparison, key and reverse. By default these are none and this is false. So I will use by default and let's see the output. Oh, I didn't print, so I should print, then you can see. Now see what is the difference. Before it was like that. Now grapes came at the second position and mango third and orange went to last position. So it will sort like that, or it will sort like from A to Z. If you will put here reverse is equal to true, fruits dot sort, and if you will do this true, then let's see the output. So it will be reverse. Okay, now orange came to the first position and apple went to the last position. So like that we can use it, and you can play with sort with yourself and some caps, using caps letters, small letters, make the combinations and lots of things you can play with list and sort. So one function is also there inside print, like fruits dot index. So what it will do, index, if you want to search our element at which index is present. So I will check mango. So mango is present on first position. You can see now orange at 0 and one index is mango, second index is grapes and third index is apple. So at one index exists mango. If I will give here some value which is not present in list, will it work? Let's see. Like dog. It will give you the error, that is value error. Dog is not in list. So the value error will come here. Runtime error we say. Suppose we want to insert any element on the index, on particular index. So how we can print fruits dot insert. I want to insert at second index dog. I will insert dog in fruits. Will it work? Oops. You have to print only your fruits. So orange, mango, dog. Dog got inserted at second index. So why this none is coming? So it will return nothing or none. You can see here insert before index. This is also built-in function. So built-in is nothing. It's written in C because of time optimization. It interacts with hardware directly. That's why we are using built-ins. Now the other function is count. Print fruits dot count. So what it will do? So count will return the number of occurrence of value. We will put here apple and it will let you know the occurrence or frequency of apple. So it is only one time, so it prints 1. If I will append on it fruits dot append another apple. I will put another apple inside it. Only one apple was there, so now I put one apple also. So first I will print my fruits. Let's see the cart. Now we have two apples, and same statement we will execute now. Let's see the output, 2. So it will give you the frequency of value, how many times came in list. If you want to delete any value or at particular index, how you can delete? It's very simple. So fruits dot pop, and we will print our fruits again, so that we can easily check what is deleted. So the last element got deleted. If we will not pass any value or arguments inside pop, so the last element will be deleted by pop. And if you want to delete any particular index, so how you can delete? It's very easy. Fruits dot pop and give the index like 1. So at 1 index, which is the value? Let's see. Mango was there and mango got deleted now. And your new list is this. So like that we can delete. If you want to remove, if you know the value, then how you can remove? It's very easy. Using value dot remove. Enter any value, like dog you want to delete. Yes, it got deleted. Let's print it. For orange, grapes, apple. So using remove, you can give the value. Using pop, you will give the index. So that is the difference between pop and remove. Now you learned already string and list. So we will make some combinations with list and string. Let's play list and strings. So how we can convert a string into list? It's very easy. If you have one string like sentence equals he is playing, and if you want to convert it into list, so it's very easy. Suppose the variable is list underscore send. Okay, we will convert it. So inside list you have to give sentence and try to print it list. See, we got a list which is having all the letters or alphabets. Okay, so like that we can create. But if suppose we want he at one index, age at one index, and playing at one index, like different but separated by space, how we can do? It's very easy. See, we will print string video. I told you how we can split it. Split by space. Now you can see, so he is playing. So at 0 index he, 1 index is, and 2 index is playing. Like that you can split. I will give you one assignment in the end of video. So before that I will let you know the last built-in function, that is min and max. Suppose we have num list and it contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you want to find the maximum element, so max num, and you want to know the minimum element, that is just pass your list. and it will return you the maximum and minimum element. So maximum element is 8, minimum element is 1. So like that you can perform the operation and you can play with min max. The assignment is, you have one variable path and it is nothing, it's your system path. So I will take any system path inside C, like Python and DLL. So this is our path. I will copy it. This is a string we have and wants to convert it, like output should be Python 27.dlls. This should be the output. Try to solve it. So now you will see about tuples, that is another built-in types.